y'all, I am Keith Collins, a mortgage lender, and about 2 years ago, I packed it all up in California and relocated my family out to Middle Tennessee. It's been one of the best decisions we've ever made, and what I want to do is take you on a little adventure and introduce a few of our favorite cities to you. And today, we're going to take you on an adventure of Franklin, Tennessee. Over the last several years, lots of Californians, and really people from all across the country, have been relocating to this quintessential southern town. I actually heard somebody once say, rather than asking somebody where they went to high school, actually ask them where they're from.
Franklin is known for its rolling green hills, charming downtown, and rich history. It was founded in 1799 and it's named after founding father Benjamin Franklin. Right here where I'm standing, at the heart of downtown Franklin, you're about 30 minutes from B&A, which is the major airport hub.
21 miles south of Nashville and a simple 30-minute commute from where I stand in the heart of Old Town Franklin. It's a principal city of the metro Nashville area with a population of just over 80,000 people. It actually ranks as the 7th largest city in all of Tennessee.
One of the cool things about the city is it was actually developed around the beautiful Harpeth River, and often you'll find locals kayaking and canoeing down the river in the warmer months. I'm even told there's some great fishing, one of the things I'm going to check out for sure.
One of our favorite things about this little town is all of the festivals. Right here in the heart of downtown, they'll shut the city streets down, the streets are full of people, and one of our favorite festivals is the Christmas tree lighting. They light a 40-foot Christmas tree in front of the whole town. It's an absolute blast. One of the questions that I get a lot is, how's the weather? The cool thing about Tennessee is we have all 4 seasons. We have a hot, humid summer, which I do love. We have a pretty cold winter, but the temperatures typically don't get less than 30, although recently we had some temperatures in the single digits, yet that's rare.
The fall and spring are definitely where the state shows off, and the fall is probably one of the biggest reasons for visiting the city for a vacation.
We often find ourselves outside on the property and love it.
If you love the outdoors, Franklin has a lot of recreational activities like hiking and mountain biking at the popular local spot Natchez Trace Parkway. You have to check this out. So let's talk about jobs. Franklin has a thriving job market with lots of industries having offices here, including many healthcare related jobs, and the popular Ramsey Solutions has their headquarters here. I honestly had no idea how big Ramsey was until I drove by it one day.
For all of you date night lovers, Franklin has amazing retail and dining options. One of my wife's personal favorite restaurants is Gray's. And if y'all love breakfast, you have to check out Biscuit Love. If you're a live music lover, you can actually catch a show at the Franklin Theater, over at Pucketts, or even at Fox and Locke. And the ABC show Nashville actually filmed some of their live concerts here at the Franklin Theater. Over the holiday break, my family was actually able to catch the movie Elf here at the theater. It was a blast.
Over recent years, it's been a top destination for people moving to Middle Tennessee, as it offers a small town feel while only being a 30-minute commute from downtown Nashville. And it's actually Williamson County, which is the top school district in Tennessee. Whether you want a master plan community, a family-friendly community, or a small farm and a few acres, Franklin has a ton of great real estate options. The downside is that it's a very hot real estate market and homes can become quite competitive, which makes now a great time to buy. But it also can be a little on the expensive side. The median price as of November 2022 was around $930,000.
There's a lot to love about the town of Franklin, and if you're looking to relocate here or have any additional questions, I would love to help. If you need a referral to a real estate agent that lives in the area, I have a network of some of the best. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a blessed one.